Hello friends, welcome to the year 2021. Today we are going to see some very beautiful Sharara patterns. Yes, do you have an upcoming wedding, a reception, birthday party? Now it's time to enjoy the unlocked period. Yes, now it's time to go out with proper precautions. So let's see the new trendy varieties just unpacked for 2021. The piece what we are seeing now is a fancy Sharara, also called as a Garara model. Let me show you the pant. You have this lovely pleats, you have beads throughout, a nice shining material. This is made up of an imported fabric. The dupatta is completely worked, looks very nice and trendy. The price of this is only rupees 2795. Yes, other places you might find this above rupees 3000. They usually sell for 332, 35. But at Shahenshah, this costs only 2795. Available in size L. Let's see the colors of this model. Wow, beautiful colors. You have this lovely green and you have the pink color. Let me show you the pants of these two. Wow, you can see the lovely pant of this model. Looks so nice and trendy. Come to Shahenshah to see all other models. Let's see the next one. Wow, I'm very excited to show you the next Sharara pattern. You can see these patterns only at Shahenshah. Yes, the latest Bollywood patterns are at Shahenshah. Wow, check this out. Look at the lovely pleats. This dress is made up of the Georgette material. This is a Georgette material dress. Yes, you have this lovely complete stones here. Looks very classy and elegant. Nice to be worn for a party. Let me show you the pleats closely. Look at the pleats. You'll be a showstopper when you wear this dress. Yes, showstopper dress. Coming to the price of this dress is only rupees 2590. Yes, only rupees 2590 for this lovely dress. Let me show you the beautiful colors in this. Wow! Coming to the colors in this pattern, we have this lovely bottle green, we have the magenta pink, yellow, and the most beautiful color, we also have the black color. Let me show you the pants of the green. Yes. Yeah, let me show you. See, lovely colors of these pants. Let's see the next black color. Wow, let's see the black. Looks very nice and classy. Black looks so nice. Let's see the pant of the black. Lovely design. You have this complete glitters at the bottom also. So 4 colors available for this beautiful Sharara pattern. Now let's see the next one. Friends, let's see the next beautiful work Sharara pattern. The highlight of this dress is the pant. Look at the pant. Looks so nice. Let me give you a closer shot. This is a lovely, nice pant. Looks very stylish and gives this Sharara a very nice, grand look. Wow, looks so nice and classy. This is a nice boutique dress. This dress is available at Shahenshah only for rupees 2790. Yes. In other market price is rupees 3500. At Shahenshah you're getting at offer price of 2790. Let's see the colors in this. This has a complete full work on the top. You can see this. Let's see the colors of this. Wow, beautiful shades of this Sharara. I'm already confused which one to buy. Let me give you a closer look. The nice party wear Sharara Garara model. Let me show you the pants. See, the highlight of this Sharara is the amazing pant. Wow, looks so nice and beautiful. Look at the frills. Beautiful. Amazing fashion at very affordable prices. Let's see the next model. So friends, coming to the next pattern, we have this lovely Sharara model in the mirror work, the mighty black, everybody's favorite black color. Wow, check out the piece, looks so classy. I'm sure you love this piece. This piece comes in 4 colors. Yes, you heard me right, this piece comes in 4 colors. We have this lovely green. Let's see the next color. We also have the navy blue. I'll tell you the price at the last. And we have this red color, beautiful red. And the price of this is only rupees 2190. Yes, you heard me right. Only rupees 2190 for this beautiful Sharara set.